We have all heard we should invest, but too many people put it off indefinitely. In fact, more people own pets than have a solid long-term financial plan. This lack of action often stems from a simple lack of confidence in where to begin. Hi, I'm your host, and welcome to Invest Easy 101. Before we dive into the complex details of the financial world, we must start from the very beginning. Today, we answer the most fundamental question: why is investing so critically important? This isn't just about getting rich, it's about securing your freedom and your future in a world that won't wait. By the end of this video, you will understand the single most powerful force in finance and why your time is your greatest asset. So, what is investing? In its simplest form, investing is putting your money to work to earn a return. You are committing funds today with the expectation of receiving more money in the future. This is different from simply saving money under a mattress. When you invest, your capital has the potential to grow through various instruments like stocks, bonds, or funds. The return is the profit you earn on top of your original investment, usually shown as an annual percentage. For example, if you invest $1,000 and earn a 7% annual return, you'll have $1,070 after 1 year. This return is generally not a guaranteed promise, but a potential outcome based on performance. If the investment does well, you profit. If it struggles, you could lose money. Why do we take this risk? For most people, investing is essential to achieve major life goals. These goals can include buying a home, funding an education, or traveling the world. The most universal and critical goal, however, is funding a secure and dignified retirement. When you retire, your regular paychecks typically stop, but your living expenses do not. You need your savings to step in and become your new source of income. While programs like Social Security or employer pensions provide a foundation, they are often not enough on their own. A significant portion of your future comfort will depend on the money you consciously set aside and grow today. Investing is what bridges that gap between basic survival and living well. Now, let's address a critical reason saving alone isn't enough: inflation. Inflation is the gradual increase in the price of goods and services over time. It means the same dollar today will buy you less in the future. Think of inflation as a silent tax on your cash. If your money is sitting in an ordinary savings account earning little interest, its purchasing power is actually eroding every year. A product that costs $100 today might cost $103 or more next year, so your static $100 buys less. This is the central problem investing solves. To truly save for the future, your money must grow at a rate that outpaces inflation. The goal isn't just to have a large number of dollars, but to have dollars that maintain or even increase their ability to pay for your life. This brings us to the superstar of investing: compound growth. Compounding is often called interest on interest. It is the process where your investment earnings themselves generate their own earnings in subsequent periods. Let's make this concrete with a simple example. Imagine you invest $10,000 and earn a 7% return in year 1, which is $700. In year 2, you don't earn 7% just on your original $10,000. You earn 7% on the new total of $10,700, which is $749. That extra $49 is pure compounding magic. This cycle repeats year after year, causing your wealth to snowball and grow exponentially, not in a straight line. The key ingredient for this magic is not intelligence or luck, but consistent time. To see why time is everything, let's compare two future retirees, Alex and Sam. Both want to have $600,000 saved by age 65. For simplicity, we'll assume a steady 7% annual return. Alex starts early at age 25. To reach that goal by 65, Alex needs to invest about $3,400 each year. Sam, however, waits until age 45 to begin. Sam now only has 20 years to reach the same goal. How much does Sam need to invest each year?
Not double, but over $13,000 annually. Waiting 20 years more than quadruples the required annual effort. If Sam waits until 55, the number jumps to a daunting $43,000 per year. This stark difference isn't about discipline, it's about mathematics. Alex's money has 40 years to compound, while Sam's only has 20. Starting early is the single biggest advantage you can give yourself. Your biggest takeaway today is this: the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You do not need a fortune to begin, you just need to begin. Forget trying to be perfect or waiting until you know everything. The core principle is to start early, be consistent, and harness the power of compounding. Your future self will thank you for the years of growth you provided, not for the perfect stock you picked. Your simple action step is this: commit to learning one new investing concept from this channel each week. Consistency in learning leads to confidence, which leads to action. That is how you build a future of financial resilience. Now, let's be perfectly clear. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of the money you put in. Markets will fluctuate, and returns are never guaranteed year to year. The 7% return used in our examples is a long-term historical market average for illustration. Your personal journey will have ups and downs. This is why a long-term perspective is your anchor against short-term storms. So, to lock it in, investing is important because it is your primary tool to build real, lasting wealth that outpaces inflation. It transforms your time into your most valuable financial asset. If this explanation made the why clear for you, please subscribe to Invest Easy 101. Hit the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll demystify how to actually start without the overwhelm. I'll leave you with one question to answer in the comments. What is one financial goal, big or small, that you want investing to help you achieve? Let me know below. Thanks for watching, and remember, invest smart, invest easy.